Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Diya Iqbal, student of Green Valley Educational Institute, Yaripura. This is class 8th and today we are here in the science lab of our school. I would like to thank Mr. Musfar sir, our chemistry mentor, for allowing me to perform this experiment. I am going to show you how to demonstrate the chemical effect of electric current. So let's start. To perform this experiment, we need some materials, like we need a glass with some water in it, we need 2 iron nails, a wire and some salt. So let's start. First, take a beaker with some water in it, like I took here, and this water is tap water, and of course it's an electrolyte. But you may know that electrolytes are mainly 2 types, strong and weak. Strong electrolytes they contain a lot of ions, so they are very good conductor of electricity. They contain a lot of ions. But weak electrolytes doesn't contain a lot of ions. They are weak conducting liquids. So to make it more conducting, you can add any acid, base or salt in it, just to make it more conducting and increase the number of ions in it. So here I will add some salt in it. I added some salt, common salt in it, and now it's a strong electrolyte, or we can say strong conducting liquid. It's now a strong electrolyte, contain a lot of ions, so it's now like full of ions, it contains a lot of ions now. So now we will immerse these 2 electrodes, these 2 iron nails in this solution. These 2 iron nails will act as 2 electrodes. Anybody knows what's an electrode?
Yes. 2 solid connectors through which a current enters or leaves.
Yeah. So these electrodes are the solid conductors, solid conducting materials through which electric current enters or leaves the conducting liquid. So now we have immersed these 2 electrodes in this solution. So now we will pass the electric current through this solution and we will observe something very interesting. Please pass this. Open the switch. Close. So here you can see chemical change or reaction, we can say, has taken place in this conducting liquid, because formation of gases or bubbles has taken place in this conducting liquid. So we can say that when we pass an electric current through a conducting liquid, a chemical change or a chemical reaction takes place in it. So the chemical changes or chemical reactions which take place in conducting liquids on passing electric current through them are called chemical effects of electric current. We can also say that when we pass an electric current through sodium chloride solution, the sodium chloride solution breaks into sodium and chlorine gas. Both sodium and chlorine gas move towards the opposite charge of their own. Like I forgot to tell you in the beginning of this video, really sorry for that, but let me explain now. Like this, electrodes are also of 2 types, anode and cathode. Anode is the positively charged electrode and cathode is the negatively charged electrode, or we can say anode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and this cathode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So from this discussion, we can conclude that when an electric current passes through a conducting liquid, a chemical change or reaction takes place in conducting liquid. And also when we pass electric current through sodium chloride solution, the sodium chloride breaks into sodium and chlorine gas, and this decomposition is an example of electrolysis. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much.